Working with mechanical engineering designs and have an IVT part file from Inventor? These contain 3D CAD parts designed for engineering applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these Autodesk Inventor part files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any IVT file. Let's try the simple solutions first. A 3D model file created by Autodesk Inventor, a professional-grade computer-aided design (CAD) application. Users create IVT files to represent a single component or part of a larger assembly. These files are central to mechanical engineering and product design workflows for prototyping, simulation, and manufacturing. The IVT format is a proprietary binary file containing precise geometric data, feature history, material properties, and metadata. This parametric design allows engineers to modify the model by changing dimensions in its history tree, which automatically updates the geometry, ensuring design integrity and facilitating rapid iteration. For direct reading of IVT content, the best choice is Autodesk Inventor developed by Autodesk Inventor. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows offers only minimal rendering, so complete inspection requires proper modeling applications. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your IVT file and click Open With. If Autodesk Inventor is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If the IVT file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Don't let the IVT file frustrate you. Its specialty simply means we need to confirm a few specific criteria. Time for our checklist. First, opening an Autodesk Inventor. Launch Autodesk Inventor and use File then Open to load the IVT file. The application displays the parametric 3D model with full feature tree access enabling modification of any modeling step. Browse the feature tree in the left panel to understand model construction and edit features by double-clicking entries to modify parameters, constraints, or operations. Next, converting to standard formats. Use Autodesk Inventor's file, then save. As function to export IVT parts to standard CAD formats like STEP, IGS, or STL. STEP and IGS preserve geometric accuracy for use in other CAD applications, while STL is suitable for 3D printing. Configure export options to control conversion fidelity and feature retention based on the target application requirements. Finally, viewing with Autodesk Viewer. Upload IVT files to Autodesk Viewer, the free online viewer at viewer.autodesk.com to view 3D models without Inventor installed. The web-based viewer supports rotation zooming and dimension measurement on the 3D model. This provides convenient model viewing for collaborators and reviewers who do not have Autodesk Inventor licenses. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.